Hey guys, it's Keisha. Welcome to my channel. I want to say hi to all the new subscribers and hello to all the oldies but goodies here on this channel. If you've been rocking with me for a while, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Today I have a goodie for you. Now I want to give a disclaimer because I did not do a whole lot of Dollar Tree shopping at the end of the year. So there are some things that you may see on this list that are things you've already seen. But hey, I have not got around to it, so it's new to me. So if you do see any of these items that you've already seen in Dollar Tree on the shelves, just be understanding your girl was not as focused on Dollar Tree at the end of the year. Let's get into it. Let's just find out what's new at Dollar Tree. Valentine's decor. I'm mainly talking about the plus section of Dollar Tree. They had some really pretty items for Valentine's Day. So if you go all out with your decor for Valentine's, you definitely want to swing by that section of Dollar Tree. I really like their signage that they had. I thought it was so cute. And the thing I liked the most was the red heart-shaped wreath with rose petals. Of course, they're faux rose petals, but still, I think it came in red and a pink color. If it wasn't pink, then it was white. I didn't pick up any Valentine's stuff though, you guys. I don't usually decorate for Valentine's really. I do celebrate it. I enjoy the holiday, but I don't decorate. So if you do though, then Dollar Tree is definitely a place you want to stop by and see what they have, because they have some really pretty items, you guys. They had these really cute pie signs that would be great for the kitchen. They had recipes on them, and honestly, I feel like I've seen these before in Dollar Tree, but I can't be 100% sure, but I'm sharing them with you guys now. Yeah, they had these really cute recipe signs. I just thought they were great, especially if you are not an experienced baker. These are great to have, so you can get you kind of your own little recipe, and you can share it with other people when they come over and you want to share your recipe. You can just kind of point to the sign. They had pecan pie, apple pie, and they had a few other ones as well. They also had these really pretty glass bottles. I did not grab one of these. I'm kind of leaning to going back and getting one. I just don't know what to do with it, but I thought they were really pretty. They kind of remind me of like an old school perfume bottle almost. So I guess if you're pretty handy, you could turn those into that. But I thought they were really pretty, so I thought I would share it with you. They're in spring colors, and they're just nice bottles, nice glass bottles. And I've never seen those at Dollar Tree before. And speaking of perfumes and stuff like that, they did have, of course, some natural oils there. I've seen oils there before, but this is the first time I've purchased any. And they look a little different than they had before. To me, they do. I decided to go ahead and get the Bartlett Pear Cider fragrance. I thought it was really light but crisp, kind of like a pear, kind of reminds you of. Very light, very crisp scent to it. They had a few other, of course they have vanilla there. They also have Palo Santo, or Santo, however you want to say that, which is a common fragrance in a lot of Bath and Body Works candles. Another item I saw were these beaded wreaths. I thought they were really cute. If you are into that bohemian style, these would be great for that. You can kind of dress them up, and I don't know, they're kind of cute on their own, but I guess if you wanted to kind of add a little bit of more extra oomph to them, then you can. But they came in, I think, black and this pretty brown color. So they have items like that. If you are into it, I thought they were really pretty. So Dollar Tree has some, y'all, and they're a good size too. And of course, the scent booster for your laundry. I went ahead and got this, even though I have a name brand. I think I have the Downy currently in my laundry room. I decided to go ahead and pick up this In-Wash scent booster from Dollar Tree. $1.25. It's worth trying. I got this one, which I think is pretty close to the scent that I have currently, and it smells just like the scent I have currently. I also saw the one that was kind of a multicolor. It had like the pink and yellow in it and white beads. I saw that one as well, but I went for this one just because it is very similar to the one I have. Scent wise, and 17.5 ounces is really, really good. Of course, the packaging leaves a lot to be desired. I don't even think it says what scent this is supposed to be at all. I don't think the other ones did either. So, but yeah, you get a good amount. They fill it all the way to the top. Maybe in time they'll fix the packaging, but yeah, I think it's worth a try, so I'm going to try it once I run out of my name brand version. Speaking of the name brand version, you do have the single use options that are there too, but I don't know. I don't think it's really worth it. It's $1.25, one use. I don't know. I think you're better off just trying these or just going out and buying a full bottle of the name brand version if you really, really just have to have the name brand. I also picked up this moisture eliminator, and to be honest, I don't know if it's just the Dollar Tree that I frequent often. I haven't seen this, but I went to a totally different Dollar Tree this time around, and yeah, these are just these little beads that are supposed to trap moisture. I thought these would be great around this time of year, especially in our spare bedroom. So it's supposed to trap excess moisture, eliminates tough odor, and prevents water damage. So we'll see how that works. They also had one that had a black lid to it. I don't know if they were different or not, but I did notice that they had one. If you've used this before, let me know. Comment below. Tell me how it worked for you, because I have not, and I don't know how well it's supposed to work. I came across these soup and yogurt to go cups that I thought were really cute. I have seen them before in other people's videos for Dollar Tree, but this is the first time I've actually seen one in a store that is local to me. These are a really good size. You don't have to put yogurt in it, of course. You can put other items in there, maybe cereal or something like that, but I thought they were a really good size. Worth picking up, especially if you are deciding to bring your lunch to work. Once again, I don't know how new of an item these are, but they are new to me, so I'm going to share them, and that is these reusable mop heads. They have kind of a make your own kit in a way there. They have the mop pads. You can get the light or the heavy duty, and it's Velcro, so it'll stick to I don't even know what you want to call it. It kind of screws on to your mop stick. If you have a mop stick, you can just screw that on there. Yeah, I don't even know what you call it. I'll put it on the screen if I figure it out. But yeah, you can kind of make your own DIY microfiber mop. That was my video of new items at Dollar Tree. I hope you found it helpful. If you've tried any of the products that I mentioned, comment below. Let me know. I would appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Thumbs up the video. Look out for your girl. Help me out. I'll appreciate it so much. And thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.